Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to increase your microphone volume on Windows 11. So there are two ways to do that. The first way is to go into your settings and then on your system section, make sure to select this sound option. Now, as you can see, there is the output option and the input option. What we care about is the input option, which is our microphone. Of course, if you have too many microphones, make sure to select the one that you are going to adjust or make changes on. And of course, here, as you can see, you will be able to make changes on it. As you can see now, if I put it lower, you will hear my voice lower. And if I put it as it was, you will hear my voice as it was in the beginning. Of course, there is the other way. Of course, there's three ways. I said just two, but there's three ways. If you have Realitic Audio Console, you can just go and open that, then go to the microphone option, and of course, you will have this main volume, and you can make it lower or make it higher. As you may notice, my voice got a bit lower when I was lowering volume. And of course, there is the final option when you can just go and open your settings again, and of course, after system, go to sound and scroll down a bit and then go to advanced and click at more sound settings. Here, you would like to go to your recording and make sure to select the microphone that you would like to increase or decrease the volume on it. Right click on it and click at properties, and of course, then you would like here to go into levels. Here, you will find this microphone volume. As you can see, if I make it lower, you will hear my voice lower, and if I let it as it was, you will hear my voice as it was. And of course, even there is the Microsoft Boost. If you feeling like your microphone volume is still low, even if you have 100%, you can actually boost your microphone with this. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.